I chose the University of Nottingham because it's ranked one of the best in the world.
Because it's truly international.
I chose the University of Nottingham because it will give me the edge in my future career.
For its cutting-edge research. Because it will give me a bright future.
There are 7,500 universities in the world, and Nottingham is in the top 1%.
The two best-known international league tables place Nottingham firmly in the top 100. It reflects the quality of the research, the quality of the teaching, and of course it carries the quality of that brand through to the University of Nottingham, Ningbo, China, and the University of Nottingham, Malaysia campus.
The University of Nottingham provides a unique opportunity for study and to experience a completely different culture and educational environment.
Our internationalisation strategy ultimately focuses on attracting the best students and the best staff to come and study at all of our campuses. By attracting the best staff, we can undertake world-leading research, and that gives our students the benefit of working with some of the leading teachers and researchers of their generation.
We teach in English, we teach the same programmes that we teach in Nottingham.
There are staff that move back and forward between the campuses.
These are degrees awarded by the University of Nottingham, and of course doing this in China, the cost is lower.
The campus in Malaysia, it was the first UK campus in this part of the world, and it's still the leading one. We've got staff from many countries. We have something like 25 different nationalities. They bring different experiences to bear in their teaching.
When the students graduate, they have that distinctive advantage of being from one of the top universities in the world.
Our university offers literally a world of opportunities for our students going out and for students coming in.
I'm on exchange from Nottingham. It's given me experience of how to interact with people from different places.
I decided to come in exchange to Ningbo because I will get an outlook into the Asian lifestyle and into the Asian business culture.
Research is the lifeblood of any leading university around the world, and Nottingham has an enviable reputation.
Malaysia and China allows us to develop and diversify that research capacity in very interesting ways. In Malaysia, we're leading on a major United Nations initiative called Crops for the Future.
We need crops for the future, for climates of the future, and we're the only university that's actually been selected to be the co-host of this international centre against great competition.
Crops for the Future is something which will bring great benefits to the university. It will further fuel the expansion, it will bring high quality staff to research in those areas, and along with that you attract high quality students.
The Center for Sustainable Energy Technology has been set up in China to support the Sustainable Development Agenda. What we're doing here is to look at all these sectors which contribute to pollution and then develop applicable technologies. CSET facilities are second to none.
Most of the energy we're using are renewable. This kind of building isn't very usual here in China.
If we can do things that change the way buildings are built, the way power stations are run in the United Kingdom, that's great. If we can do that in China, that's spectacular.
The Division of Engineering in Ningbo is well placed in China because China is the factory of the world. The Division of Engineering is attracting first-class super professors from the University of Nottingham, and they're coming here to set up top research centres.
In the UK we have a research centre called the Centre for Research in Applied Linguistics, and on the Ningbo campus we have a sister version of this, and we're conducting research in Chinese-English bilingualism and also in trilingualism, which is increasingly common in this part of the world.
One of the really exciting pieces of research that we're doing is extracting drugs from rainforest plants. So we use ethnopharmacology. We'll go out and talk to people who have used medicines from rainforest plants for generations. We will take those plants and try and design new, novel drugs.
Research in the Faculty of Engineering is now booming. We have a number of areas of strength, for example development of supercapacitors, projects related to the environment. Student projects are informed by research.
The research I'm involved in is to design, fabricate and build a race car.
Links with industry is one of the things that Nottingham UK do very, very well, and it's also a model that we're pursuing here. It presents us with real-world problems, it gives our students exposure to real-world environments, and it's an extremely important part of our research agenda.
We have a vast network of these companies, all keen to take our students.
We've built a number of links with creative industries and also media and network cultures here in China. We also extend that into internship opportunities for our students.
We try to help the students get their dream job, so we give them work experience. They are real business projects. It's not theoretical. We are funding a water project in Beijing. We're bringing clean drinking water to 300 million rural Chinese. The students believe this is really important work that they're doing. And when they go to interviews, they can say, I have done this job.
We start actively taking in students and interns as well as those who have graduated from the University of Nottingham. Most of them we offer employment.
It has helped me to get a good job and I'm hoping to carry on to my PhD.
We plan to collaborate into much more serious engagement with the University of Nottingham.
Ningbo is sort of quite a cool city. It's about 2 hours from Shanghai.
It has the international aspect, it's a major port city, so there's a lot of commerce here.
We have old temples, and also we have like Tianyin Square, which is very good, very modern, fashionable.
I really like the campus. It's really new and all the facilities are new.
The accommodation here is absolutely beautiful.
The facilities is quite good. I think the best in China.
Malaysia is really, really cool. I'm obsessed with KL. I love Petronas Towers.
It's so easy to get to KL as well.
I take off on Friday to maybe a small island.
The facilities here are brilliant. The accommodation's nice. It's really close by to lectures.
My mum always worried about me being away from home, but staying in Malaysia campus is like very safe.
Generally, almost every week there's something happening with some club or society.
I love it here. It is really different, the atmosphere, the people, the food.
Studying here in Ningbo has already given me a lot of opportunities and has allowed me to engage with a new culture, learn a new language.
Being on exchange, it shows that you're willing to take on new challenges.
My career prospects will be furthered.
China needs talents who not only knows about the international environment but also familiar with the Chinese market.
I know going back with University of Nottingham degree, I have an edge over so many people.
I found the experience to be very enlightening, and I would dare say it was life-changing for me.
The standard and quality is definitely very high, definitely world class.